Hello friend, let us solve some linear equation. I have two example here. It is in word form. First we have to convert in equation form by reading it. What is actual meaning of it we will understand now. So in first equation they are trying to tell is sum of two number is 74. One of the number is 10 more than other. So what are the number? So they told us that one of the number is 10 more than others. So suppose number is x, first number is x, second number is 10 more than first number, that will be x plus 10, it is second number. So sum of the two number means if we take sum of these two number, the addition will be 74. So equation will be x plus 10 is equal to 74. So they are asking what are the number, means what are the value of x. So in this case x plus x will be 2x, we will shift this 10 here. So 74 minus 10, so 74 minus 10 is 64. We will transfer this 2 here. X is equal to 64 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, that is x is equal to 32. So first number is 32, second number is 42. 32 and 42, these are two number. Let us see example number 2. In example number 2, what they said perimeter of rectangle is 13 cm and its width is 2 into 3 raised to 3 by 4 cm. Find its length. So for perimeter I have already written here formula. The perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket L plus W, that is length, W is width, and bracket complete. So put this value in this equation and find the length. That is perimeter of rectangle is 13, right? 13 is here, into 2 we have to find L. W is 2 into 3 raised to 4. Now solve this equation. So shift this 2 here, that will be 13 by 2 L plus 2 raised to 3 by 4. So L will be 13 by 2 minus 2 raised to 3 by 4. 13 by 2 minus 3 raised to 3 by 4. So in this case we have to solve now this equation. So this is very simple. First we have to solve this, that will be 4 into 2 plus 3. This will be solved like this. Suppose this is the number, so we do this like 2 into 4 plus 3, 4 will be common. So 2 into 4 will be 8 plus 3, that is 11 by 4. This number will be 11 by 4. So L is equal to 13 by 2 minus 11 by 4. Now problem is that base is not common. So first for making it common we have to multiply upper number with same multiplier. That will be 13 into 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 11 by 4. 13 into 2 is 26 minus 11. Now base is common, so we directly write 4. The 26 by 11 will be 26 by 10 will be 16. 26 by 11 will be 15. Answer will be 15 by 4. Length will be 15 by 4. So I have shown you two examples. First one is about the number calculation, second one is perimeter calculation. So if you have any doubt related with this, or similar query, you can directly write in comment section, or you can mail me. I have given my email ID in description section. I will definitely try to solve your problem. And finally, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and like it and share it. Thanks.